Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the new method to transfer ownership of a folder and its contents in Google Drive. Google recently updated the process, so I'll show you exactly how it works in 2024. Let's get started. To begin, open your Google Drive and locate the folder you want to transfer ownership of. Right-click on the folder and select Share. In the Sharing pop-up, enter the email address of the person you want to transfer ownership to if they're not already added. Set their role to editor and click Send. Once they're added, right-click the folder again, go back to Share, and next to the person's name, click the drop-down menu where it says Editor. From the options, select Make Owner. Here's where the new update comes in. When you select Make Owner, the other person will now receive a notification or email asking them to accept ownership of the folder. Until they accept, you'll remain the owner of the folder. Once they accept the transfer, they'll officially become the owner, and your access will change to Editor unless they modify it later. Remember, ownership transfer only applies to files and folders you own. If the folder contains files owned by others, their ownership will remain unchanged. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of a folder and its contents using the updated Google Drive process. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.